Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and this is third video in Parallers remote application server tutorial. And in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a basic Parallel remote application server farm step by step. So basically a farm is going to be your logical object where you can publish the things like remote desktop services, application, anything by using the Parallels application console. So in this demo we have three servers, three virtual machines which we are using. So the first machine is Win2K16 DC01, which is my Active Directory and DNS server. My domain name is victorinfosol.com. So here you can see Active Directory and DNS server is running on this machine, and this is Win2K16 DC01. So this is my primary domain controller. And the second machine, which is Parallers01. In last video we have installed Parallers RAS on this machine. So see here, this is Parallers01, and on the desktop we can see Parallers remote application server console. I'm going to launch and log into this console. So currently you can see there was no server registered to this farm. So we are going to do this now. Then once you registered, you can at least one launch at least one session host VDI or remote PC. So this is good what we are going to do in this video. And the last machine which we have is Win2K16 RDS01, which we are going to add in farm. So here you can see this is a brand new machine, Win2K16 RDS01, which I have just renamed and configured IP address, and post this I have joined this machine in domain. So this is my RDS01. So now let's start. So on here, on a start button, you can see we have farm, so we can see all the details. So what I'm going to click, go here and add RDS session host. So this is going to be create one first farm for me. So I'm going to add one server here. So Win2K16 RDS01. So check name, this is going to find, and this is my server. So I'm going to add this here, and you can see agent not verified, so it's going to install the agent. So you can see agent not found. So if I click next, you can see what it's going to do. On add RDS session host, it's going to add the firewall rules, install RDS roles, which is going to be your remote desktop services, and enable desktop experience, restart server if required. And this is going to be add your server in RDS session host. So this is good, and if you want to create any new group, you can create. So I'm going to go with this and click next, and specify the user group to be added and remote desktop user group. So I'm going to add here my domain users. So this is good, and now we have authenticated as a domain user, which can use going to be added in remote desktop user group. So good, click next, and this is going to be task, perform these tasks. So click next, and now you can see it's going to install, and copying the RAS installation file and checking install version on this. So it's going to install remote desktop services and the agent also. So we can verify from here and see the agent is installed now. It's very fast, and now you can see the server is getting rebooted. So reboot in progress now. So type is going to be your session host, so it's going to take some time. So you can see it's now rebooting and working on features. And now I'm going to log into this machine. So since RDS role is installed, you can see it's not going to remember your username. So we have logged in now. You can see reboot in progress. So it's completed, status completed. So we can close here on done. You can see this following servers are added successfully. Win2get 12 16 RDS01. So this is done, and now we need to go and click on apply, and you can see remote desktop is installed now, and it's going to install only one feature. If I go here and remove this role, you can see what it's going to install, only the remote desktop session host. So this is good, and now we can see we have a basic form created, and now we can go and launch the application. If you want, you can go and launch the applications. So it's going to ask you what you want to launch. So this is good, and we have successfully created one RDS form. And now if I click on here and I go on RDS, you can see it's going to show you the agent status okay, and group name it's going to verify. And if you go here on properties, you can see all the details if you want. So you can see now it's showing all the details, and agent setting it's showing. If you want to change any port and sessions, you can go here and change like these settings, like how many maximum users you want, profile desk management, you have desktop access, RDP printer. So you have all the settings which you can modify from here and make the changes on this RDS server. So I'm going to take this user profile desk in separate video. So this is all which you can change from RDS session host, and you can see all the details here. And if you go to groups, you can see this server is in this group, RDS session host servers group, and this is going to be your default group by default. So if you want to add any other server, you can go here and add servers in this group. And here is scheduler. You can schedule anything like disable server group, reboot servers. So target server you can set, and you can type your name RD like Win2K16 RDS01 reboot, and you can set here reboot every day at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. you can set, and you can set when so date is going to be this, and you can say like every day at 1:00:00 a.m. So notify users reboot task is about to run, and you can send a message within 1 minute or 15 minutes, whatever you want, and then you can enable drain. So it's going to force reboot server after 15 minutes. So this is what you can schedule if you want to put some maintenance type on the server. So, and you can always monitor all the sessions, what type of sessions they are running on this machine RDS01. So currently you can see we have only one session which we have logged in RDS01. So now this machine is ready to host the user session on this server. So this is all how we can like create a one farm in Parallers very quickly, and how we can put this RDS session host in production. So in next videos we are going to use this RDS host which we have added here to publish some application, and we'll see how end user can connect to this RDS01 and they can use the application which is installed on this machine. So we are going to install few applications in next few videos like MS Office and others application on this machine, and then we are going to publish those application by using the publishing here. So this is the quick video on creating the RDS farm step by step on the Parallers. So Thank you for watching, and please subscribe me for more videos. And if you have any query, any question related to this video, you can always post me my given mail IDs. So thank you once again. Bye bye.